Hi everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One of the biggest hassles when getting your car fixed? Difficulty scheduling appointments. Busy schedules shouldn't make repairs a headache, and at Arts, we offer flexible, easy booking to fit your life. Let me tell you about Rachel, a busy parent who came to us last month. Her 2018 Honda Odyssey had a scratched rear bumper from a parking lot fender bender. Rachel was frustrated by shops with rigid schedules that didn't match her family's routine. We offered her multiple time slots, including early morning and weekend options, and booked her in quickly. Our team fixed her Odyssey with top quality work, and Rachel said, "Arts made scheduling so easy. I was in and out without stress." Here's how we do it. We provide convenient appointment times, online and phone booking, and quick confirmations to suit your needs. From minor dents to collision repairs, our Pomona shop ensures scheduling is a breeze, so you can get back on the road fast. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we make repairs fit your schedule. Struggling to book a repair? Stop by or call for a free estimate and easy scheduling today. Ready for repairs that work with your schedule? Call Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyanpaint.com to book your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint, flexible scheduling, quality results.